Broken the screen of your mobile phone? What a terrible condition you are facing now. It hurts your personality as well as damages style. Mending the damaged screen of your mobile phone would be the best option for you. But you may not want amateur repair technicians to fix the broken screen. Are you going to be sad? Don't be so. Presenting iTech Xpress, a reputable mobile phone repair store. The experts of the store have the efficiency and they are fully cognizant of the damages you are having on your phone. They will apply the latest skill and technology and you must trust the genuine screen part replacement service from them. Don't be afraid of the cost of the service as the experts will diagnose the condition of your phone for free. You will receive an evaluation of the services you are looking for. So stop waiting for and contact iTech Xpress soon. You can visit their website https://itechexpressinc.com/ for relevant information.